You're serious. From your put on the wig on the brazier. Now defend the block.
Against the white river, shot launching, I'm live a blood.
Artist, I could have sent beer with the bottom man. This not a be a well.
Woman, you don't know they don't represent for FollowIG TV Entertainment. You know you say get the latest and the greatest updates them. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend for tell a friend for tell a friend. Stay updated, cause FollowIG TV are going with great things though. One time, girl.
Alright from me to old angle and such. She murder doctors, brother.
What's good, viewers and subscriber? Oh, nobody not tell me about this a clash where I escalate from about 1 month ago. I got 3 weeks or so. Yeah man, Devin the Dakta, Dede and Shane Skull at it right now. You see me? But to me a listen a clash of viewers and subscriber, the artists them a fling shades off about 2 or 3 other artists. Let me explain. Dede a fling shades off of Shane Skull and Devin the Dakta. Shane Skull a fling shades off of Devin the Dakta and Dede. Devin the Dakta a fling shades off of Massacre, Shane and Dede. So you see what me a talk about in this warrior? That warrior more intense viewers and subscriber. You see me? And the artists them a fling some bars. The artists they not much know things about they wanted that. So that make it even more nice. Cause you have to find words and find some things with sing say you see it. Yeah man. And me check out Malidan and Chronicler and it look like if them were done. Me see Malidan drop our next song. So me I go review that our next day. But me I watch Chronicler Viva to see if Chronicler will drop nothing more because me see Malidan drop Froggy. Me not see Chronicler drop nothing yet. So me just left that there and jump to this review here. So I want to know if you go over there and go listen to what they say. You see me? Go over Devin the Dakta and go over Shane Skull. So I saw no have to listen to the artists them. And then when forward back over FollowIG TV Entertainment and make me know which one of the artists them fuck up the place. You see pre. So when I make on a little piece more at Dede, then we go and chat, then we jump in another review with the other artists. Then you know the thing go on Jets.
Oh, I want, and the lyrics them empty your fuck.
Dr. Code. Yo, Dede, me know say I have them venom there. Who trouble you? What they got trouble you for? Right now, a 3 week that song you dropping up viewers and subscribers. So it will look like an evil back and forth like how Mali and Chronicler one back and forth. So we just go and watch it, build up back one, show fluid in the fire and blaze it up back viewers and subscribers. So I want to know if you go over Dede Vivo. Make they know say yo a FollowIG TV Entertainment sending you over there. You see me? If you go on the right thing and just fling some shade same way. Somebody have to answer. You see pre? Yeah man. So you don't know say yo me a big up man like Cheeky Dan Music. They been a work with the artists and I know the producer they are them engineer they are work with the artists. So you know so we have to big up Cheeky Dan, you see me? Can believe in a talent, you see it, him believe in a young talent and that me rate with him. A long time. I whole heap of my artists them me see him work with. See him way big up man like all Dens. You see me? So viewers and subscriber, when you go over there and go listen to a song titled All Angle. You see me? We'll jump in the next review, talk about the next artist, make on the hear the next artist song them. And then wrap up this thing here. See me? I want to know if you comment who are lead the war so far. Don't be biased, don't be afraid. You see it on Jeds.
Here.
Bumbleclad viewers and subscribers. I want to know artists that were out there. When you give Devin the Dakta a run for him money. When you give him a clash for him money, give him a fair clash for him money because I never see no artist run up on Devin the Dakta from then time that Devin the Dakta was in a war with Massacre. And if you check in catalog when job since recently, the man all give them a helping hand. The man sing a song like him a Massacre at this himself. Bumbleclad Devin the Dakta. You're dangerous. They and Shane have to go in at them thinking cap right now and meds and write some bad tune, you know. Because 2 years go on in this viewers and subscriber. We don't need yeah ears for this ear and see. So yeah, punch up a thing hard, but they have fling bars same way. You see me? Shane, me don't know about Shane yet. I go talk about Shane after, but me I say, yo, Devin the Dakta. A 3 artists say one clash one time, you know. Oh, you won so bad. You feel like you have the courage to clash 3 artists one time. Yo, viewers and subscribers, listen what artists I say. Because artists that are be a thing. A countryman, you know. A St. Mary man, you know. So you know when we kill it with be a country style. You must see a town craft around the place. Country craft, a countryman got town done. Believe no man. For lie me I tell, say a lie me I tell FollowIG TV Entertainment. Don't ramp with countryman, a country badness man. You see me? But me I tell you no. Music we love. Who are pushing heat right now and the artists them are push on fire. But that song where me I review right now, it a punch like ball. Yeah man, so right now, I want you guys to go over Devin the Dakta and make him know say a FollowIG TV Entertainment sending you over there. Me I go listen piece more song and finish talk. Hundreds.
Size but man in a wig. Me say it clear can master fish.
For your weird Jesse man them will beat your bad man. So you man them have to fantasize in that car. You make a wrong move there. So you see me, I could a commercial I do or advertisement. You know give you no right to put on no wig or no Jess. You see me? So get that straight. So you man them will beat you with that day. So that I only loose move when me see you make. So you man them will beat your hard for that. And viewers and subscribers, that song your title 3 Little Crocs. You see me? And you don't know say a one side say crocs, you know man. You don't know say a massacre side say crocs. So 3 little crocs. So that tell you exactly what me mentioned in our first half. I say yo, a 3 artists, Devin the Dakta, are flinging shades. Alpha. You see me? So I want to know if you go over Devin the Dakta Vivo and go make him know say a FollowIG TV Entertainment sending you over there. And I want to know if you full up my comment section. You see me? When you just full up the comment section, talk bag of things, viewers and subscribers. You see me? And remember to hit the bell icon to notify each time I drop a video. Like, share. You see me?
Crocodile Dundee, Devin are the biggest clown in our country.
Shane Skull. I first me I come across. So viewers and subscribers, I want to know if you go over Shane Skull Vivo and make him know say I'm sending no over there. Hear me I say no Shane Skull. Yeah, me hear you fling shades and thing. But oh me hear you sing like you never mean, you sing like you never confident. You see me? Yeah, sing it too slow like say if me fi do this or if me not fi do this. You know hear where man them a singing a them song. Yeah, fi do this thing you rough me general. You can't soft out right now. You see me? And me I look on the Vivo and me no see a drop but no more this song. Me no see Dede drop but no more this song. Devin the Dakta me see a drop all like this song. Him a this Massacre, him a this you, him a this everybody. So you have to be that person there to counteract him and drop more song. So the audience can really see say there is a clash going on with Uno. You see me? Because at 3 weeks them a song a drop. And me no see no more song drop for it. Viewers and subscribers, you can go check for yourself. And check over Devin the Dakta. Devin the Dakta still a send out this song. You see it? So no guys, no artists, no need to do the right thing. You see it? Yeah man, you can't make Devin the Dakta one kill 3 man and make him win. You have to fling, be a bomb fling. So you have to go link your channel and make him teach you how to build bomb. Be a bomb fling right now. So Shane right now you need to go to a giant board. And forward back hotter than that one, you see me? Because Devin the Dakta go hard. You see me? Dede can go on, but Dede need to fling more because the artists are going hard. You know your artist man a 3 little crooks the artist call you know man. You see me? So no pre-ratio. Me make you listen piece more Shane. You see me? Remember say FollowIG TV Entertainment I talk it as it is, you know, how me hear it and how me see it. Me a talk it, you know. So me nah make up nothing. You see On Jeds.
Stop climb up the bad mind ladder. Him hungry, I try sponge pon the
Artist, me I hear you. You see me? But what me need you know fi do right now, you and Dede, I fi go write more song, more this song towards each other. You see me? Yeah man, cause remember in a clash, you know, it bill you and it kill you, you know, man. Good publicity or bad publicity are still publicity. You get that? You see me? So that me want to know if you do. One song, one track, one this track now go work. People have to constantly say, yo, you know, eager for this. So even when next artist I go and push up their head and try, we don't know how I go write them off or how I go lose or anyway the war turn out. You see me? But I saw in a war, defense and attack. That is the main thing in a war. You see me? And right now it sound like, yeah, defend. Right now, attack your fear attack. Because you're hungry for it. You want to build up your vivo right now. You see me? You want to interview, you want to go out there. So you have to go out there vicious. You're hungry for this. So you have to fling song. You see me? You know, see answer all one song, you fling a next song like so. And go on easy like so. You are going to have a more song. Him are going to be one way have less songs. So right now, I only have a less songs. So you need to put more song out there. Devin a lead right now. You see me? So right now, you need more song. If you can counteract and try level him down. Because right now, him man a fling be a hard ball. So right now, one bomb I want you are Dede fling. Because remember I said Dede a clash you too, you know. Dede a clash you too. So you can't comfortable and no one artist after you. Devin the Dakta and Dede after you. So you have to do the right thing. You see me? So listen to OG foolish advice. It too on. Because you don't see say Devin the Dakta lead right now. So you just go write song and send out song. So we can see. Make more review. You see pre. I mean I say big up the man them take part in a production. You see me? Yeah man, you know on yourself, so you big up on yourself. So I say viewers and subscriber, remember to hit the bell icon to be notified each time I drop a video. A one FollowIG TV entertainment over here. You don't know say artist we are work with. You see me? Yeah man, a music we love and never man. On Jets.